How do I add funds to my Apple balance?
Welcome to this video tutorial on adding funds to your Apple balance. In the following sections, we'll discuss the steps you can take to easily add money to your account.
What is Apple balance?
Apple balance is the amount of credit that you have available for purchasing content from the App Store, iTunes Store, and Apple Books. It can also be used to pay for iCloud storage, Apple Music, and other Apple services.
How to add funds to your Apple balance on iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch.
1. Open the App Store. Navigate to your device's home screen and tap on the App Store icon. 2. Sign in. If you're not signed in, tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner and sign in with your Apple ID. 3. Tap your Apple ID. Once signed in, tap your Apple ID in the top right corner. 4. Add funds to Apple ID. Scroll down and tap on Add funds to Apple ID. 5. Choose the amount. Select the desired amount you'd like to add to your Apple balance. 6. Confirm your purchase. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase and add funds to your Apple balance.
How to add funds to your Apple balance on a Mac.
1. Open the App Store. Click on the App Store icon in the dock or launchpad. 2. Sign in. If you're not signed in, click on the Sign In button in the bottom left corner and sign in with your Apple ID. 3. View your account. Click on your name or Apple ID in the bottom left corner, then click View Information. 4. Add funds to Apple ID. Scroll down to the Apple ID Account section, then click Add funds to Apple ID. 5. Choose the amount. Select the desired amount you'd like to add to your Apple balance. 6. Confirm your purchase. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase and add funds to your Apple balance. Now you know how to add funds to your Apple balance on both iOS devices and Macs. With this knowledge, you can easily keep your Apple account topped up and enjoy all the content and services that Apple has to offer.